IB Geography is great because you have a lot of fun in class, you get to go on field trips. We don't do that much just writing essays, and
you get to know about the world's issues and problems.
It's pretty relevant and up to date, and also it's really useful for university.
I want to study geography because we study about stuff that's happening all around us.
So hi everyone, I strongly recommend geography as it's important for future generations, that we know what to do to save the planet.
I'm going to study landscape architecture and possibly ecology with it, and I'm going to use geography.
It's because geography is the study of where we live, called the Earth.
Okay, so I think that IB Geography is a very interesting course because it deals with issues of global importance and makes you realize things about the world.
I want to study anthropology at university, and the topic we're learning in geography at the moment, globalization, has helped me to understand the core of anthropology.
I'm doing IB Geography because I want to teach geography.
IB Geography is a very good subject to study because it applies to all areas and it has great teachers and it's very fun, and the decision to study geography enhanced my university application and my decision to study economics at a university level because it allowed me to learn about a lot of interesting new theories such as ones on globalization, etc.
Because I had to take some sort of social science in IB, and I thought geography is the best subject ever.
Because I like it, it's very interesting, and I want to know more about the world around us.
So the study of population and development especially made me want to go out to the world and actually be able to make a difference, and that's also why I chose to study medicine.
Oh, I feel really happy studying IB Geography.
Well, I want to study psychology, and world geography is basically studying everything around us, and I mean everyone's kind of mental state depends on the environment they live in, so it's very important.
Before studying IB Geography, we were lost.
But now we found ourselves.
So I chose geography because it's definitely the coolest subject. Talk about all the cool stuff you learn in geography, like population trends and demographic models, and how countries such as China managed to reduce their population by 400 million, and all of those loads of cool stuff that you will need in your life. Like who cares about maths and English? Geography is the real deal.
Geography is cool! Wow! I love geography!
Geography is amazing. High five.
60,000 fatalities in Burma today after Cyclone Nargis.
Drought emergency across Western Europe, with drinking water strictly rationed in Holland, France.
Forest fires which are still sweeping across Spain.
£30 billion, a price worth paying for motorists' right to drive, said Lord Clarkson of Silverstone. Good news for the UK wine industry, especially.
The latest is that New Orleans will not be rebuilt a third time, said the Louisiana
Less
government.
than the total destruction of India's dams would end Pakistan's drinking water crisis.
As US President Chelsea Clinton refuses Africa's
Exponential sales of air conditioning units in India.
As San Francisco's extraordinary heat wave continues into Los Angeles.
Now we're seeing extreme weather events somewhere on the planet every single day.
Estimated 35 million Chinese refugees.
Skiing in the Alps is over.
The new Channel 4 documentary asks, is global warming really happening, or are natural...
It's 61 degrees centigrade, the highest land temperature.
More than 100 million people are homeless tonight as Bangladesh...
methane emissions from Siberia.
The last Indonesian tree fell, but biofuel prices are...
European Union today permanently closed all of its borders.
Roadside verges must be reserved for food production.
London is underwater again as last night's 30-foot storm surge overcame the Thames Barrier.
New Zealand has also now closed its borders, leaving 22 million Australians. Reports are coming in that the North Sea is boiling.
100 million refugees from Middle East and continental Europe are all heading north.
Species are now extinct, scientists estimate, and ecosystems are collapsing.
Half past 2 degrees. You
cannot now stop runaway climate
There are
change.
simply too many people to feed on Ireland's remaining farmland.
Suicide rates increasing 800%.
The Amazon rainforest is still burning.
And anyone who cannot bear to eat their own cats and dogs.
Entering the 8th world food crisis.
World temperatures today passing 4 degrees.
Has launched retaliatory nuclear strike on Delhi.
Sweeping out velocity across the entire continent.
We wouldn't be the first life form to wipe itself out. But what would be unique about us is that we did it knowingly.
Why should I study IB Geography? Isabella,
Yeah.
why should we be reading Planet Geography?
It's a good book. I don't know, why are you filming?
Say something.
What should I say? Tell me something to say.
Geography expands your mind.
Geography expands your mind.
Business is boring.
History is boring.
Economics is boring. You can color in maps. It's fun.
Yeah, you get in geography you get to color maps.
Okay, I've never studied geography. It's the biggest mistake I've ever made. Mr. Woodman told me to say that.
What am I supposed to say?
No hay nada que decir que sea bueno, excepto que apenas hacemos trabajo, no estudiamos nada.
Slovakia is in Africa.
This is what happens if you don't study geography.